will not survive without our volunteers. So thank you.
Thank you very much, volunteers. This place cannot run without you guys and your help. Appreciate it.
Hey guys, thank you for all the work you've done. We could have done it without you. Thank you.
Hello, volunteers. Without you, we could not run this place. We love you dearly and appreciate everything you do for us.
Thank you to all the volunteers we have here throughout Daly City. We couldn't do it without you.
We're here at the Volunteer Appreciation for all of our volunteers citywide in Daly City. We're all really excited, and as you can see, everything's decorated beautifully, and we're really here to appreciate our seniors who volunteer.